Okay, so this is the last example for my try it slides from my class. So this one is a little interesting because we have a triple bond, but that triple bond is not going to be part of my parent chain because, again, I want to make sure I have my longest possible parent chain, and that's going to be the area that I've circled. So the second thing I want to do is number it. Well, I can already see that numbering from right to left is the way to go because of the fact I have a substituent on 2. And if I go the other way, it's going to be more than 2 by the time I hit that triple bond where it's located. So this should be how I number my triple bond. I can go ahead and say I have a 2-methyl group here, but it's a little bit more complicated to name what is on carbon 4 because of that triple bond. So my advice with this is just treat it like it is a mini compound. So let's look at that. So here's my mini compound. I can see that there are only 2 carbons present, and I wanted to number this way. It's a triple bond, so it didn't matter which way I numbered in that manner, but I do want to prioritize where my actual parent chain is bonded. I do want that to have the lowest number, so that's why I numbered this the 1 position starting where it is directly coming off. All right, so now that I have that, let's go ahead and start naming this. So with our alkane, we would have numbered this as F and IL, but because of that triple bond, I have to change the an out to N with a Y, because that's my alkyne name. So this now turns into FNIL. And then I do have the triple bond on the first carbon, so I don't have to put a number here, but let's just go ahead and do it for good practice, right? And the area of my compound that tells me there's a triple bond is this N right here. So this is now going to change to where it is F1N. And then this reminds me that I do have a substituent, this is a substituent. And so I want to know where on the substituent, this is the substituent, the actual true parent chain is. And I can see that it's bonded to carbon 1 here. So I can go ahead and put a 1 and then, ooh, I forgot my dash, 1-il. So this would be the name of the triple bond substituent. Okay. We're not done quite yet because I also need, it is a substituent, and I need to know where on my parent chain it is located. And we can see that this is located on carbon number 4. So this whole thing needs to go in parentheses, and I put a 4 out front. Now we have the full name of the substituent. So let's combine it all together to have the parent name. So in this case, I have 2 substituents. I have a methyl, and then I have the F. Well, E comes before M, so that needs to be written first. So my complex substituent is going to be written first. So I have 4F, 1N, 1-il, and then I have 2-methyl, and then I have my heptane, because again, that triple bond is not part of my parent chain, so therefore the ending is going to have the alkane name. All right, and then just as a reminder, because I know looking at this, we've done a couple of things. This right here tells me where the triple bond is located. The other one in my complex substituent here tells me where the true parent chain is bonded to the substituent or the baby compound. And then the 4 at the very front of the name here is going to tell you where the mini compound is bonded on the true parent chain. Okay, hopefully that was helpful.